So let's make some dinner. So we are gonna make my version of chicken carbonara. All right, so I'm gonna saute a couple cloves of garlic and the onion. I have just a little bit of bacon grease left. I cooked some bacon. That's way too much bacon for this recipe, but I didn't want it to go bad in the fridge. So I drained a part of the grease. And then I'm gonna saute these. And then we're gonna put in some chicken. Now, I can most of my meat, so you can definitely use a couple of big chicken breasts, cook them, dice them up, put them in here. I'm actually just going to dump my chicken in. And honestly, I think this is turkey, it's not even chicken. So I'm gonna use my knife, and you can see some of these pieces are pretty big. So I'm gonna grab a knife, and we're just going to cut these pieces into smaller pieces. And make sure there's no gristle or anything. Try to do that when I can it, but sometimes it'll probably be easier to do this on a cutting board, and we'll just get everything. And look how easy that meat falls apart. You put it in the cooker raw, or you can, and then you process it and it cooks it while it processes it. Or you can cook it ahead of time, debone it, and process it. So, which actually I think that's what I did with this one. It's starting to get hot. And see, there's a little piece of something I don't want in there. When you're canning 30 things, 30 different chickens and, you know, a few turkeys all at the same time, I tend to hurry through. Okay, so I'm going to saute this really good until all this meat gets a little crisp on it, and gets kind of cooked through again. All right, now we're going to add our bacon that we just chopped up, or part of it, back to it. Mix that up just a little bit. And then on top of that, I have already cooked my spaghetti. Got it in my pot back here. We're just going to take our spaghetti and put it right on top. Make sure it's drained decent first. And make a big mess when you do it. Dump it everywhere, because that is all part of cooking. Just dump it all over your countertop. Why not? All right, next step. All right, so to this, we are going to add, this is a mixture of 4 beaten eggs, a third a cup of Parmesan that I shredded, and then some fresh parsley that I literally had to run up and get while I was cooking this. So, and we're just gonna dump this all on top of our pasta mixture. And then we're gonna just kind of toss this around, see how much more of a bigger mess we can make. And try to get this all incorporated in. And basically, that's it. We're gonna get this all mixed in, make sure the egg is cooked really well, and that's it. That's my version of chicken carbonara. When it's completely done, you just garnish it with a little more Parmesan, a little more parsley. If you don't grow your own herbs, you really should. Fresh herbs out of your garden are so much better. You could even put them in a pot and put them on your windowsill in your kitchen if you don't have a place for a garden. They taste so much better than what you can buy in the store. So I'm just going to kind of keep tossing this until all the eggs are cooked, and that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoy it.